Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm your friend Inside XO. In the last 5 days or 1 week, no, exactly 5 days, I just made a software or 2 software, and I want to show you guys how it looks like, and this will push me to go a higher level. Okay, first here we got 2 different systems, the Windows 10 and the Windows 7. First we will go to the Windows 10 because here we got our first software, the server. Let's run it. Okay, we have to move it to the desktop to be able to run it. It will ask for the network permission. Just allow it. Then you can say something like this. It will tell you the current local area IP address, and with this address the client software can connect to it. Okay, now let's go to the student side or the client side. We open that software. Here we go, this is the client side or student side. Here we gonna input the IP address to be exactly what this looks like, 10.0.2.15. Then it's a number, let's say 1, and start it. It cannot connect to the server side. It's kind of strange. Then maybe it's probably because the network of the 2 virtual systems cannot share. So I'm going to open the client at the same system. Okay, here we go. We put the IP address to it and with a number. Click the start. Here we go. We just connected to the client or the server. Now we can do some, testing. This is a test software for the school. Let's connect the one with the L. If the line was correct, the corner of that line would be green. Otherwise, it is right. For example, if I connect to this, it will say error, and the length of that the corner of that line would be right. We can even turn off the lights if we connected right. But right now I don't know the right combination of the connection, so I won't light up the lights at the right side. There are 2 lights. Okay, let's go back to the server side. Let's hit the enter key, and we would say 24 different elements or numbers or students, and it says they haven't submit their test yet. But we will say now let's hit the submit button at the client side. It will say submitted successfully. Now let's go back to the server side. You would say, the first student he just submitted. Then we can see the details about that student. Let's hit this item for 2 times, double click. If we double click that, we would say, only the first one, 1 to L, is right. Others are not right. In other words, they are wrong. From here, we can say, the students 1 to L, it is right. Others, it's not right. And we can do more stuff like this. For example, if I open the client-side software again, I change the number to, let's say, 24. Let's hit the start button, and we can still do the connection. Let's say this time we connect the 3 to N. Then we hit this submit button. Okay, then we go back to the server, and you will say, 24 is submitted, and we can see the detail about that. And we can say only the 3 to N is the right, and others they are wrong. And there's another feature. We can click this tab to see the statistics table, and we would say, 1 to L, the correct ratio is 50%, and others are 0, but the wrong or error rate is 100. And we can even sort the items or those lines by the error rates. And as we can see here, we can sort those items by a certain element or property. Okay, this is what I can do within 5 days. And I'm really sorry for using the Chinese as the software language, because this software was made for the Chinese students, not the US students, not the English students. Okay, it's for Chinese students, and I get paid from them, so that's why I use the Chinese language as the display language. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.